Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you send an email directly from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to email from your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that switching between different softwares can be time consuming if you do it thousands of times a day. And with Bigin, you can send emails directly from their platform. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin account, and this is the home screen. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your email account. So I've already connected my Gmail. If you need help connecting your email account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once you've connected your Gmail account or your email account, in order to send an email, what you're going to do is click on the contacts button here on the left side. It looks like a person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts that you have inside of your Bigin CRM. Now, there's actually a few different ways you can send an email to someone. The first and easiest way is you can go ahead and just look for their name, and then you're going to click the little box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see the menu change up here, and you're going to see this button, send email. Okay, as soon as you click on it, it's going to open up this email screen, so you can go ahead and type up your email just like you would with any other program. So let me close this down. Also, if you want to send an email to more than one person, you can use that same method, but you want to click more than one name. So we're going to go ahead and check these two names, and then we'll do the same thing, send email. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and draft an email for two people instead of just one. So let me cancel this out and let me uncheck these. Another way that you can go ahead and email someone with your Bigin CRM is just click on their name. Once you do that, it's going to open up the information on that particular contact. And in order to send them an email, just click on this green button here on the top right, send email. Okay, as you can see, the email platform opens up, so you can go ahead and just type in an email. Make sure that you're sending it from the correct inbox up here on the top. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send an email using your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.